Welcome to Passive Income Fanatics. If you're eager to break free from the 9-5 grind and take control of your financial future, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving deep into side hustles that pay, how to start and scale your online business. We'll explore actionable strategies and insights to help you launch and grow a profitable online business, turning your side hustle into a steady income stream. Starting a side hustle can be a game changer, providing the financial flexibility and independence you need to achieve your personal and professional goals. But where do you begin? Let's break it down into manageable steps. 1. Identify your niche and passion. The first step in starting any successful online business is to identify a niche that aligns with your passions and expertise. Ask yourself, what are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Your side hustle should be something you're passionate about, as this will keep you motivated during challenging times. 2. Market research and validation. Once you've identified your niche, conduct thorough market research. This involves understanding your target audience, analyzing competitors, and validating your business idea. Use tools like Google Trends, social media platforms, and keyword research to gauge interest and demand in your chosen niche. Validation ensures that there's a market for your product or service, reducing the risk of failure. 3. Build your online presence. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial. Start by creating a professional website or blog. Platforms like WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace make it easy to set up a site without any coding knowledge. Your website should showcase your products or services, provide valuable content, and include clear calls to action to convert visitors into customers. 4. Utilize social media. Social media platforms are powerful tools for marketing your side hustle. Identify where your target audience spends most of their time and establish a presence on those platforms. Whether it's Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or TikTok, use these channels to share engaging content, connect with potential customers, and promote your offerings. 5. Develop a marketing strategy. A solid marketing strategy is essential for driving traffic to your website and converting visitors into customers. Consider a mix of content marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising. Content marketing involves creating valuable blog posts, videos, and infographics that address your audience's pain points. Email marketing helps nurture leads and keep your audience engaged, while paid advertising on platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads can drive targeted traffic to your site. 6. Focus on customer experience. Providing an exceptional customer experience is key to building a loyal customer base. Ensure your website is user-friendly, offer excellent customer service, and gather feedback to continuously improve your offerings. Happy customers are more likely to become repeat buyers and refer your business to others. 7. Monitor and optimize. Regularly monitor your business's performance using analytics tools. Track key metrics such as website traffic, conversion rates, and customer satisfaction. Use this data to identify areas for improvement and optimize your strategies accordingly. Continuously learning and adapting is crucial for long-term success.